Okay, continuing from the first video, I'm adjusting this home to um, better fit my needs, a larger master bedroom and bathrooms. So I pulled this wall right here back by 1 meter. You can see it right there. It used to be right here. And now I want to adjust the inside because I only want the master bedroom to be 1 meter and the kitchen to be 1 meter larger, but I don't really want this bedroom to be 1 meter larger. So I'm going to push this wall back. Oops, excuse me. Okay. I'm going to pull this wall in first by 1 meter. One enter and come around and push this wall also by 1 meter. Okay, escape. I have made a mistake here, so I'm gonna to change it and see what is it that I'm picking up. Well, this whole surface, I only want to move this surface here, not both of these three surfaces. So I'm going to take my rectangle and alright, I did that and I put a surface there. So let me remove that surface, see if I fix that problem. Click backspace, erase. Now hopefully I isolated that wall, and I have. So I can pull it back in one move. So let me go back again. 1 meter enter. 1 meter enter. Okay, now by doing this I accomplished a couple of things. One is this room has remained the same size that it originally was, which was fine as a just bedroom. The other one is now I no longer have to put the door right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the door right here, and I'm going to take this door that's supposed to be there and put it right here. That way I can use this space for a closet and to move this wall back and make that bedroom a little larger. So there we go. I'm going to push this in. Point 1, enter, and I put my door right there. And I'm going to pause here and finish up the other doors. Okay, so as you can all see, I turned around the doors from where they used to be right here, and I put them on this side. Now I have this whole space usable. So what I can do is I can mark this area to be about 16 inches. Half a meter I'm going to make this closet. So 0.5. Okay. So now I can come on. Draw that line right there. Escape. Zoom in. Okay. 0.1. Enter. Draw my other line there. Right. Oops. Escape. As you can see, this did not get highlighted. So somewhere I'm missing where I'm touching the wall, and that's why I didn't close this area. Sometimes it's best to, once you have your marks, just use your triangle. And you see how now that got highlighted? Now I know that area is closed. I take my push-pull tool, I pull it up, touch it to the wall over there to make sure it's exactly the same height, and there we go. I will draw a line right there all the way down. Sometimes you're better off zooming in, because sometimes it wants to take you places. And that's what it wants to do to now. So, escape. Let me try it over here. Okay, turn around a little bit. Tape measure 0.1, enter. Like I said, there's usually more 0.1, enter, more than one way to skin a cat. Alright, so now I can take my pencil, pick up that mark over there, and mark it right there. Escape to get rid of that. Now I can pull this wall also all the way. Oops, escape. Why are you doing that? Okay. If it does that, I need to make sure that it's closed in some place. There's an opening. There we go. Why is this one giving me a hard time? There we go. Now, see how I just isolated that surface? I can just pull it right across. That's it right there, so that I can close that room. And at this point, I see that this wall does not align with that wall. So basically what I can do is I can pull this wall to align with that one, and turn it around. I can pull this wall to align with that one, and there we go. That's much better. Turn around. Put a nice big door over here for the closet. Right there. Push it right in. Right. Enter. And now we have a coat closet right there. I could have actually pulled that wall before. I didn't have to build a wall. I could have just pulled this wall over. I didn't have to build a wall like I did. So let me backspace a couple times. Backspace, 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 backspace. See how you can undo a whole bunch of things that you did by using the backspace. Backspace. That at least shows you the thought process that goes behind this. Alright, now I want to actually redo a couple things. Edit. Okay, I'm fixing this problem right now. Okay, close up this wall here. Escape. Close up this wall. And there. Sorry, I have to redo this, but that is the nature of sketching. Sometimes it's easier to redo some things rather than okay, measure from here to there, 0.5, enter, and then just simply pull this wall, stop pointing. If I touch that mark, that's where it's going to stop, see? I'll make another mark, point 1, enter, and I'm going to push the wall to that mark, and that fixes. Right. There we go. Alright. So now, as we can all see, I made this bathroom larger by 0.7 meters, almost 1 meter larger. And what this would allow me to do later on would be to, if I wanted to make this shower a little bigger, move this toilet bowl a little over, move that over there, make the that bathroom a little larger, and move this door over. Actually, if I wanted to move this door over by, let's say, half a meter, I'll click right there, type 0.5, enter, and turn around and pull it by 0.5, 0.5, enter, and now I can move this whole unit right here over, making the shower a lot larger. I told you before why I don't like pushing doors in and out by themselves, and I will show you right now why. Okay, we're gonna put a door over here, and we're gonna make it 0.8, 2 meters, enter. Okay, that's not good. Oh, you see what happened? I pressed the wrong value, and it made that huge. So go Alt, backspace, and we'll try it one more time. Point 2, comma, 0.8, enter. That was wrong too. Okay. Let me erase those lines from down there because they're getting in my way of doing things. And that's why I was having that problem that I was having before. I want it right there. And I want that door right there. That's it. If I was to push it by hand, sometimes you push it too much. If you look and it does not open up, so if you look behind, you see what happened. That's why I find it a lot easier to just simply click on it, start pushing. Okay. What is it messing with me? There we go. Click on it. 0.1, enter, and it automatically snaps to where it's supposed to be without me having to do anything. So this is in a nutshell how you will turn when I erased before, I erased something that messed up this wall, and I will fix it. See it right there? It's probably this line right here that I erased. But that's easy enough to fix. And if, as I said, you can fix something, you can always go back, Alt-B, until you go back to where you made the mistake.